Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Sophia. Happy December and Friday. It's a stunning day to be a Panther.
Students, in sports news, our varsity boys wrestling team will travel today to compete against Bayside.
Our boys basketball team will also be traveling to Fort Peace Central, and the game starts at 7 p.m.
Our girls basketball teams will take on Martin County here at home. Junior varsity plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
In Heritage Club news, make plans for Friday. First priority will be meeting during all 3 lunches in the auditorium lobby. There will be pizza, games, friends, and fellowship.
Other clubs that meet today are SGA at 2:30 in room 2121 with Miss Rock.
Spanish Club will also meet today at 2:30 in room 5204 with Velis and Ramos.
Hey, did you hear that Heritage is going to have a new Cambridge elective that will be offered next year? It's called ACE Media Studies. This course will require students to study and create media products of their choice in film, podcasts, video games, or music.
If you think that you will be interested, see guidance or Miss Doring in room 5207 for more information.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!